Hello, Reagan. Hello. Okay. Just got back from horse lessons. Time to deal with the animals. Why is it taking me so long to talk? It is like blazing outside. Probably thinking 80s. I don't know. Hello, Beefy Chicken. This is our new rescue. Beefy Chicken. Yeah. We got her from one of the big chicken houses. She escaped. They called me to come and pick her up. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway. Hello, Sunday. How you doing? What are you doing?
No, shoot, leave my chickies alone.
Yeah.
Hi, baby chicken. Let's go, chicken.
I would want to be a mom. I don't know. There's an egg. I found an egg over there. I don't know if it's a duck egg or if possibly she laid it. I think it's a duck egg because they usually bury their eggs. So, you like the egg?
No, don't drink out of that. That's the duck water.
Oh my goodness. Anywho, back on track. Are you gonna be my helper? Good to know. I'm messing that up. That is disgusting. Okay, so I perched my phone in a tree. We'll see if this works. Okay, well that's filling up. I gotta fill up that one and then that one, but let's get these back. Holy moly. Hello, babies. Come in here, Rudo. Rudo. Oh, goodness. What are you doing? No. And that is why I always feed the goats first before doing anything. Why can't you be patient? Okay, we're done with the goat pen for now. Here you go, hold this. I'll be back. Okay. Hello there. Does any... Oh. Hi, Strawberry. Oh, she fell. Hi, Strawberry. Oh. She's itching herself. She scared all the little chickies. I've arrived. Hey. I'm currently seated right here, missing. Nope. Oh my God. I'll be back again. That one is Ty. That is Dimples. Cleopatra Spot is over there, and then the last one is unnamed. But that's where those three are. I'm back again. Please don't spill it on me. Ah! You made me scare my chicks. Apologies. Ew, I'm skipping it. In the wet people matter. much water. Just gonna fill up that big thing. And I'll see you again soon, hopefully. What are you doing? You just splashed the crap out of me. Ah! We went to the auction. And we went there specifically to see if we could find a riding horse, Ray, because Willow is going to end up being a pasture pet. And we ended up coming back with 2 rescues. One that's going to be a riding horse and another pasture pet. 1 mare and then a gelding down there. Hello! We're back. Okay, thanks. I really needed to film that. So here.
Are those your turds? Because they're so fat. Are those yours?
This is the riding horse. We had to put up his hair because he can't see. But he's a rescue from the Amish. Yeah. He lets us pet him, which is better than how Peppermint and Willow were when we first got him. That sounded like a fart.
It was just him tearing the grass, too.
Oh my goodness. We are calling him Casper. Because his original name was...
Cash.
Can I please speak without a fart sound coming out of anybody?
No.
His original name was Cash, and we're changing it to Casper because it sounds familiar, like Cash, so he's not as confused. And Casper just really fits him. He's a very sweet boy. You have something to say to the camera?
This hair just poked me
Thank
in
you,
the eyeball.
sir. He's got very, excuse you, he's got very obvious scarring, and he's got some cuts down here, but we're gonna make sure you feel at home. No more work for you. And then here, this is Cassie. He very much likes her, so we kind of we named them kind of the same. She is going to be our pasture pet. This is Kaylee's horse now. As you can see, she's very skinny, and that she cannot be ridden because of that leg there. We're not quite sure what's wrong with it, but we're gonna make sure she's not hurting no more. So Cassie, Casper. Cassie, Casper.
Don't drink the duck's water!
Oh goodness.
That is not your water, dude.
She's very soft, very sweet. She lets us pet her. She's pretty tolerable. Oh, did you just get bit? But yeah.
When he first clean his feet, I'm going to lift his foot up and just hose it
Look,
down.
he's crapping. What the heck?
There are 2 piles of crap right there, and he just stepped in them both.
Pleasant. What was that?
He's the one that
I
freaks.
can't. Why'd you do that when I turn off the camera?
He freaks everyone out because he goes, ah!
Anytime they touch, he whinnies. Oh, he's just a sweet baby.
I was getting the fly out of your eye.
Hello, Reagan.
Hello.
Hello, Kaylee. It's pouring down rain, and we gotta get the electric fence up today. We're gonna put up another one right along there, so they have more, like all of this space. Oh my goodness, poor babies.
You're handsome. Oh, yeah. Come here.
Hello, mister.
Fifi.
Two, one.
Oh.
Your
saying that
phone
'cause
your phone is getting covered.
Are we putting it in?
Come inside, baby. Thank you. Oh my gosh, my phone's covered in wet.
The ducks have a field day.
Yes, they very much like the rain.
You don't think they'll cleaning it? We're gonna be cleaning it out over there probably.
Beefy trying to escape from the rain.
Clean it out very often. I stole KK's camera. Hello! Hi, duckies. Hello? Hello? Hello, sir. He's so big. He's taller than I am. I have to ride him, so that's gonna be funny. Hi, beautiful. Hi. They keep pooping on the path, so I almost stepped in horse species. Horse fecal matter. I'm bestowing the gift.
Take it back.
Yeah, he let him pet him.
That's good.
Oh, it's okay. You're okay. He's back. Sorry, he didn't so. Love you. Ow.
We don't have to give him as much because we can feed him one.
Hey! Come on, baby. Handsome.
Oof.
I have yours.
No. Oh, no. There we go. Yeah, you guys go that way. Oh my goodness.
I'm not surprised. He's like shoving his face in there. He goes,
Nom, nom, nom.
okay, there he goes. He's starting to be more gentle with it. I was filming them both, but now I'm filming him because he's the first one coming.
It's still raining. We're introducing Kitty to the horse. Yeah, you so happy? She keeps seeing them from the window and she is very interested. We're gonna let them come to her so they're comfortable. Good morning. What are you guys doing? You waiting to be fed? Huh? Yeah. I'm so hungry. Okay, so here we've started putting up the electric fence because we want to take that green fence down. I don't know if you can see it, and give them this whole area and hopefully get Daisy and Zeus here, our donkeys. But yeah, this is an interesting thing. We've never done this before and apparently we're missing a whole bunch of stuff. So hopefully we'll be able to get this done by this weekend and get Daisy and Zeus both over here. That'd be great and make things like 10 times easier. Now, one of Lemonade's eggs hatched. She's over there walking around with her baby and we're not sure if she just left the others and they're hatching. Just because that one hatched, there's her nest right there. I think I might go bring those inside to the incubator, but yeah. Sorry, dear, when you have children, your freedom's taken away. Into the baby pen with you. he comes.